So here we are at Solar 593. I want to send the drone up from here just to show you what some of the views could be for those that want to add on to the property. We're on the northeast corner of the lot. This is the highest elevation on the parcel. Right now we're about 10 feet up in the air over the highest point on the property, or over that corner. Just to give you a view, that's looking west. Now we're going to go up a little bit more. We're going to go up to about 20, 30 feet here. This zoning in this area is kind of a 2-3 story zoning area, so this is going to give you a sense. I think this is about 20 feet up in the air. Here we're seeing the signs in the distance of El Yunque. We're seeing that for the first time. There's your turquoise blue Caribbean Sea. So that's looking west towards the mainland. That's El Yunque, Fajardo, Ceiba area. As we scroll around here to the north, we start to see in the distance the island of Culebra. It's our little sister island to Vieques. Seeing some of the neighbors' properties here. And now we're going to go up to about 30 to 40 feet above this highest point on the property. This is probably going to be the highest you could probably build up. This is most likely going to be a view from your roof deck. As we swing around to the east here, we're basically looking at the Bastimento neighborhood, or Santa Maria area. That, again, that's Culebra off in the distance to the right. Swing around to the left here, there's the ocean. If we went due north from there, we'd end up at Nantucket and Cape Cod. Over there again, we're seeing the Fajardo area on the mainland. We're seeing El Yunque. The near hills here are Bravos de Boston. That hill in the middle of the screen right there, that's the Martineau Hill. That's over by the airport. Some of those, we're seeing one tower on the right there is over by the hospital. There's another cell tower just on the right side. That's up in Los Chivos. And this is the surrounding area in Villa Borinquen. This is now facing east. There's a neighbor to the east. And we swing back again. There's Culebra off in the distance. So that was about 30, 40 feet up in the air. We come down. Don't mind the garbage. The horses have been around and it looks like they got in someone's garbage can there. So we're looking across the property here. There's the container that's on the property. There is already a concrete structure in place there, you see. Has water, has electric hookup, and there is septic. The septic I don't think we're going to see here. It's just from here it's the lower right side of the screen, and no, we're not going to be able to see it, but there's a septic there. So the container has electric. There's water hookup here already. So if you want to add on to the structure, it's going to be a lot easier than if you were to buy a parcel of land and start from new. Probably save a year or two. So here we are. We go from the roof of the container house. We go up about 10 feet. Now it looks like we're going to about 20, 30 feet above the container. Kind of similar views, but not as good as that upper corner of the property. Again, there's El Yunque and Fajardo off in the distance. You do get ocean views. Nice thing is that your near neighbor there in the foreground, property kind of slopes off, so there's not a good chance that they're going to build up anything higher than you. Again, there's your neighbor to the east with a nice pool. Island of Culebra. You can see the view. This is, again, we're directly over the container on the property, directly over that concrete structure that's already in place. So if you wanted to add on to that, this would be your view. Again, there's Bravos de Boston. The hill off in the distance is over by Martineau, by the airport. And that's it. So you basically do have a view from the upper northeast corner as well as over this container. This is going to be your best building site on the lot. It all goes downhill from here. So I think this side of the property is much better for building your structure, and it's where you're going to have your views. And we're swinging back over ocean view, swinging back. There's Culebra in the distance. And now we come down for a landing. So any questions about this, please contact us, www.paraisorealtypr.com. Any question about this property or any other of our listings, we'll be more than happy to help you out. And now we're going to take the drone back, and it's going to land back basically where it took off in that northeast corner. And there we go. Coming down for a nice safe landing. All right, I'm Bob at Paraiso Realty. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.